Hello class, today I'll be showing you an illustration with a model of mantle convection. Here I have cup A containing cold water or ice water and cup B containing hot water. I'll be making drops of different food colorings in cup A and cup B. So I'll be making 2 drops of blue food coloring in cup A. I'll be making 3 and then 3 drops in cup B of red food coloring in cup B. Okay, so I'll give it like 10 seconds to mix or even shake a little bit to make sure that the color is uniform in both. Then I have push pins here. I'll drive each push pin into the cup an inch from the bottom, an inch length from the bottom. The same, I'm going to be doing that to cup B. This is actually, you need to be very careful so that you don't spill. Okay, you can see there's no leakage so far, and this is what I have, cup A and B. So these 2 cups I'll be placing inside my big transparent plastic trough that already has water from the tap, and some other person is actually going to be helping me in this process because I need the push pins pulled out as soon as I want the experiment to happen. So I'll place it in and let the water settle while the person aids me. So I need you to observe what really happens as these push pins are pulled out. Where the red color is going to and where the blue color is going to. Yeah, a clue is you need to think about what happens to cold air and warm air. That probably will help you in your observation.